So sometimes your arm or the actual pin itself, when you wind it too much, this sometimes gets caught right here. And if you're in too much of a hurry, it will get stuck, get jammed right in there. And what ends up happening is you're trying to pull it out, pull it, and it breaks off. And that's what happened here. So we're actually here. So what I ended up doing was getting a donor handle, and it's an interesting mechanism that you have to turn actually clockwise to loosen it up. And you want to use a pair of pliers, and you turn it clockwise, and then it will just come off because it's based on a screw here. So if you ever need to exchange your arm, that's how you do it. Turn this clockwise, and then obviously unscrew it, and then put in your new arm, and there you go, brand new.